Understanding the phrase, take someone's part. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, take someone's part. This expression might sound straightforward, but it has a rich meaning and usage in English conversations. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to polish your fluency, understanding phrases like this one is key. Let's unravel the meaning together. Take someone's part is a phrase that means to support someone in an argument or conflict, often against someone else. It's about standing by someone's side, defending their views or actions. This doesn't necessarily mean that you agree with everything they say or do, but you choose to support them in that particular situation. To better understand how to use take someone's part, let's look at a few examples. 1. In a family dispute, imagine two siblings are arguing, and one parent steps in to take the part of the younger child, believing they're being unfairly treated. 2. Among friends, if two friends are having a disagreement and a third friend comes to take someone's part, they are choosing to support one friend's perspective over the other. 3. In a professional setting, a manager might take someone's part during a team meeting to support their idea or proposal against criticism from others. These examples show the phrase in action, illustrating its use in various contexts to support or defend someone. Understanding phrases like take someone's part helps in grasping the subtleties of English communication. It's not just about the literal meaning but also about the emotional and social implications of choosing to stand by someone. This phrase embodies loyalty, support, and sometimes, a sense of justice or fairness. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, take someone's part, and how you can use it in everyday English. Remember, language is not just about words but the connections and nuances they convey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay tuned, and happy learning!